This is the Scalables Daisy Piston Pump, the pinnacle of accuracy and precision in dispensing. Connect the PTFE tubing assembly to the prime port, P1, and to the inlet port on the side of the pump. Then connect another PTFE tubing assembly to the top of the pump and to the outlet port, O1. Next, plug the power supply into the Daisy. Then plug the data cable into the micro USB port on the Daisy and the other end into a computer. Connect PTFE tubing with one fitting to the prime port, P2. This tubing uses the same ferrule and fitting as the others, but for a dispensing needle, the fitting threads into a Lure to quarter 28 adapter. The needle's Lure lock then screws onto the other end. Next, connect the PTFE tubing with a dispensing needle to the outlet port O2. Press the power button on the Daisy. On a computer, open the Daisy controller software. Click the Instrument Refresh button. The instrument list shows which group and index the Daisy occupies. The right panel includes the Home button, which must be used first to establish the piston starting position. Next are the parameters available to control: piston speed in microliters per minute, aspirating volume, dispensing volume, and there is also a reverse direction button for aspirating or dispensing in the opposite orientation. Next, prime the tubing by aspirating and dispensing the full volume of the piston pump. Open the assay script Piston Aliquoting. To see the piston pump in action, this example aspirates 5 mils, then dispenses it in 5 1 mil aliquots, pausing 2 seconds before each dispense. For applications above 30 psi and up to 150 psi, skip the solenoid valves on the side of the piston and use a rotary valve instead. Avoid using suspensions with solid particles, as this can damage the piston pump. After using the piston, it is good practice to clean the tubing by using water. Run a full volume aspirate and dispense cycle. Remove the inlet tubing from any liquid and repeat to empty the pump.